As you already know, we can use the CMTHICK command to calculate points on either side of a groove, create a distance between, and calculate that groove width. But what if we want a lot of these checks all the way around the track? That could take a while doing them one at a time. So we have two new ways of doing this automatically. Let's say we use the flow option to generate all the points around one side of the track. As you know, all the points will be connected as a single CheckMate entity. Executing the CMTHICK command, we just have to pick that entity on the yellow tie line between the surface hits. Then hit enter and answer the usual questions. You will be prompted to enter the distance between information just once, and that information will automatically be used for the rest of the distance betweens. We can do the exact same thing even if all of the points are not connected as a single entity. If the points are separate measurements, just make them hot before executing CMTHICK. Thanks for watching and have a great day.